Hey everybody, it's Neil, and this is a very important device. This is by Sonmol. It is a choking rescue device, and totally handy to have around. It comes with three different sizes of masks, so this is going to be good for toddlers, I guess ages 1 to 3. There's a mask for children ages 3 to 12, and adults 12 and up. So I'll show you guys what this is here, and kind of explain how it works. So here we go, we'll open this up, and in here we have our different masks. So we have our 3 different size masks. You can see there's a small, medium, and large. We have our device here. It's got some weight to it. We have a bag here, which I guess is going to be the storage bag to keep it in, and it has the instructions on it as well. And then I think this is going to be if we want to mount this to the wall, it'll hold the device on it as well. So that's going to be our instructions and everything like that for it. So I'll just open up one of these here and show you guys what it is. So we have the little device here. So this says adult size L. And let's see how this goes on the instructions. So it says, here's all the instructions for it here. So it says we have our different sizes there. We can connect it up to the device here, and it screws into the wall. We put it over the person's face, and the bag is the dust cover. So there we go. So it says, reminder, please make sure to keep an appropriate distance away from your face to avoid punching your face while popping up. Okay, so it says, remove this shipping to protect the sticker from the orange anti-trigger device. Hung the device with this. Remove this shipping protector sticker. Okay, so let's remove this shipping protector sticker here, if we can get it off. Okay, sticker is removed. And then it says, reminder. There, this is off now. And then this will go onto the rescue device. It will go on here. And then I guess as you push this, it will make it go. Let me see. Okay, so always packed operation, please. If the victim's mouth cavity collapses, attach the tongue depressing tube to the mask. Okay, so if you need to, you can put this in here, and that will hold their tongue out of the way if it needs it. So that's kind of nice to have. And then seal the mask with the victim's nose. Do not keep the mask sealed to the victim's face for more than 3 seconds when performing the suction process, and maintain a safe distance. So once the debris is dislodged, roll the individual. Okay, so the way it will work is you'll push the button here, and it's going to suck it out and suck all the air in. So let's see, like that. So that's what it does, is it's pulling all the air out of there. I'm afraid to do it on myself now. I'm not choking, so I don't want to necessarily pull all the air out of my face. I'll stick it on the side here and just do it. Oh, gosh, that really it sucks. So that'll suck all the stuff out of the person's throat. So that's what it's good for. So it'll do that. And so that's kind of how it works, is you have it on there, they push the button, and it pulls whatever dislodges it from their throat. And so this is the adult mask. We also have the middle one here, which was this was the adult small. So that's for the smaller people. And then we have this one here, which was for the infants, I'm going to assume. Let's see if we can open this up. And they all come with a little extra, a little tongue piece in there. And this is pediatric, so that'll fit over a tiny little kid's face. So that's what that's for. So really totally useful to have something like this. It comes with this mounting bracket here. It comes with the screws as well. So you can just kind of have that somewhere handy, hanging up and ready to go, which is totally useful to have. So especially if you're in a place where people are prone to choking, or if you just want something at home to have in case there's an emergency, you're always set. So totally good thing to have. Thumbs up for sure. Totally need one of these.